Hello, my name is Skylar Malley. I'm with Firestarter SEO. I'm going to be putting together a series of training videos to help with some basic SEO, and hopefully we'll get into some more advanced stuff as we go. The first thing I would like to do is show you how to set up goal tracking through Google Analytics so you can track form submissions. So the first thing let's do is let's get to Google Analytics. Type that in there. That's the first result here. And when you search that, it is going to take you to a admin screen. And as you can see, this is my website. So what we want to do is make sure that we have the proper property selected. And then once we have the account that we want to add the conversion tracking to, the first thing we're going to do is go down to admin. Once we select admin, you'll see there's three columns. The first is the account view, the next is the property view, and lastly we have the view of the actual account. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this flag here that says goals and select goals. And that's going to load up the different goals that we have. So to create a new goal, we're going to simply click the red button that says new goal. And type in the name of the goal that we want to create. So for the sake of this training video, we're simply going to call this a new form submission. So we have that. The type of this is going to be a destination. So when we click that and hit continue, it's going to bring us to the details of the goal. The next thing we want to do is we want to put in the URL of the goal. So in this case, we're going to go use my website again as an example. Here's the site. When we scroll down a little bit, it pulls up this form. So we're going to put in the details. It auto-populates that, and then let's type in the website, HTTPS. There it is. I'm going to hit send. And by doing that, that pulls up our thank you page. So I am going to copy and paste this URL, and we're going to put that in the destination. So once you put that in there, the next option is value. We're not going to put in a value because this is lead generation, so there's not necessarily a value associated with this conversion. Right now, we're not going to put in a funnel. So I'm going to verify this just to see if it is tracking some of this data already. You'll see that it has a 1.32 conversion rate over the past 7 days. Not bad. I'm going to click save, and there you go. So right here, you'll see our new form submission goal is there. The next thing we want to do is we want to track to see if that goal is tracking. So how we do that, now let's go to the home over here on the left-hand side, left-hand panel. You'll see it pulls up a dash view, kind of our overview of what's going on in Google Analytics. So let's go to real time. When selecting real time, I'm going to scroll down to conversions, and we're going to check to see if anything's registered. So right now it's not showing anything. You'll see there is one visitor on the site. That corresponds with the tab I have open. I'm going to refresh this just in case. Maybe we can get that to load. And then watch this for a little bit and see if it registers that tracking. There you'll see. So new form submission, there's one visitor and there's one conversion. So that is now working. Pretty simple process. I hope that helps, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.